In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recall an email in Gmail. We've all had that moment where we hit send and then instantly realize there's a typo, a missing attachment, or the wrong recipient. The good news is that Gmail has a built-in feature that gives you a short window of time to unsend an email. In this video, I'll walk you through how to set that up so you're protected the next time that happens. First, open Gmail in your web browser and make sure you're signed into the correct account. At the top right corner of the Gmail interface, you'll see a small gear icon. This is the settings button. Go ahead and click on that. When you do, a quick settings panel will slide open on the right side of your screen. In that panel, look for the option that says See All Settings. It's usually near the top of that quick settings menu. Click on See All Settings to open the full settings page. This is where Gmail keeps most of its customization options, including the one we need to control the recall time. You'll automatically land on the General tab, which is where we want to be. Now, scroll down slowly until you find the section labeled Undo Send. This is the feature that allows you to pull back an email right after you send it. Next to Undo Send, you'll see a drop-down menu called Send Cancellation Period. This controls how long Gmail waits before it actually delivers your message, giving you time to cancel it. Click on that drop-down and you'll see a few options, usually something like 5, 10, 20, or 30 seconds. Select the time window that works best for you. Many people prefer 20 or 30 seconds because it gives you a more comfortable buffer to notice any mistakes. Just keep in mind that Gmail will only let you undo a message within the time frame you select here. After that window passes, the email is fully sent and can't be recalled. Once you've chosen your preferred cancellation period, scroll down all the way to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes. This step is important. If you don't save, Gmail won't apply the new undo time. From now on, whenever you send an email, you'll see an undo option appear briefly at the bottom left of the screen. If you realize